Hey, it's Mr. Burtis here. Just purchased a new set of microphones. I'm currently using the old set, but I purchased a new set of two wireless Lavalier microphones with an adapter to go into your phone. This goes into only Android phones with a USB-C. It's a set of two. The brand was HMKCH, and for some of you, if it doesn't work right off the bat, it says on the actual Amazon website that you may have to download the Open Camera app to get it to run. I'm plugging it into a Galaxy S21 FE. It's easy as taking it, plugging the receiver into your phone. Make sure your phone's on. It tells you to get the USB connection, so you know you got that. Comes with your microphone. You don't have to turn anything on the actual receiver, but on the microphone on the back, you got to turn the power on. And once you have the power on, light on the front. It also has noise reduction, which I found useful because I'm going to use this in the shop doing different woodworking projects. And to get that to come on, you take and press the on-off button on the back once, and the green light on the front will start flashing to show you that you actually are in noise reduction mode. So it comes in a handy dandy little pack. It comes with a clip, spare clip, and a spare microphone foamy cover. The instructions are very basic, so we're going to go ahead and I'm going to go ahead and change out which camera I'm using and use the one with the new microphone and see if we can hear the difference in the noise reduction. Okay, now I'm using the wireless microphone. You can do interviews with two people at the same time. They sync together. Comes with the adapter for charging. It only has the USB in, so if you want to use it in an outlet, you're going to have to buy the outlet plug to plug it in. You get to four to 6 hours of airtime is what they're saying, and as of right now I've got about an hour and a half in and we're still flashing green, so we're just gonna give it a try. Highly recommended. Very lightweight, easy to use, and always remember: dream, think, design, build, and learn. I'll see you in the shop.